Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to separate moringa leaves. First, gather your fresh moringa branches. You'll want to work with small sections to make the process easier and more efficient. This method focuses on preserving the integrity of the leaves, which are packed with nutrients. It's a simple yet crucial step for preparing moringa for your recipes or drying. The most efficient way to separate moringa leaves is by stripping them. Hold a moringa stem firmly near its base. Then, with your other hand, gently but firmly slide your fingers down the stem, pulling the leaves off. This technique works best when the stems are fresh and slightly pliable. You'll find that the leaves come off easily and cleanly. Once you've stripped the leaves, collect them in a clean container. You'll notice the stems are left behind, and these can be composted or discarded. Next, it's important to rinse your separated moringa leaves. Gently wash them under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Pat them dry with a clean cloth or use a salad spinner before further use. After washing, you can air dry your moringa leaves by spreading them thinly on a clean tray, or use a dehydrator for faster results. Once completely dry, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency for several months. This ensures you always have fresh moringa powder or leaves ready for use. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.